This is question 15 from section 1 of the 2018 ENGAA paper. In this question, we're given a regular pentagon here, PQRST, and we're told that RSU, where R and S are two vertices of the pentagon here, forms an equilateral triangle, and we're asked, what is the angle STU? So, where do we start on this? Well, what's the easiest information we can get down on our diagram? Probably this. RSU is an equilateral triangle. So we're trying to find out about angles, and this means that all three of these angles are 60 degrees. And that sounds very helpful, so let's put that on. We've got these here. Now the next logical angle to target is one of these two. But we don't know much about U, because U isn't necessarily in the centre of this pentagon. And so this angle could be tough, so let's go for this one. Now how can we get to this? Well, if we knew this big angle, so RST, we could get that and just take away 60 and it'll give us this, right? So let's do that. So how can we work out angle RST? Well, recall, if we've got a regular n-sided polygon or shape, the sum of its internal angles is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So you can think about that. If it's a triangle, 3 minus 2, 1 times 180, 180 degrees. Same for a square, etc. And so for a pentagon, it'll be n equals 5 here, so 540. But this lets us work out the big angle, because all these angles are the same. So angle RST will just be 540 over 5, which is 108 degrees. So this is 108 degrees, and this is 60, this must be 48. So this is great, but how do we go from here? Well, the key thing to notice is, this length here, SU, well that's the same length as this length here, SR, but then this length here is the same length as ST here, because it's a regular pentagon. So this length's the same as this length, so we have an isosceles triangle, right? And in an isosceles triangle, with these two sides the same length, this angle and this angle will be the same. So now we're nearly done, because we know 2 times this angle, i.e. this angle plus this angle, is going to be equal to 180 minus the 48 degrees here, because the sum of internal angles of a triangle is 180. So this is 132, and divide through by 2, you get the angle STU is 66, which is good, because that's D in our multiple choice options, and so our answer is D.